let's create a magnifying glass for your project. Start off by creating a project and a composition. Add a background. In my case, I am adding this newspaper background. Then add your magnifying glass on top of it. Scale up your background as well as your magnifying glass to fit the screen. We can now set up the zooming feature of a magnifying glass. We will create an adjustment layer and rename it to Magnifying Glass Adjustment. Add a mask to limit the adjustment to the glass part of the magnifying glass. I am pressing Ctrl and Shift to make the mask bigger from the center of the mask. Adjust it to your needs, and then you might want to center your anchor points. Parent the adjustment layer to the magnifying glass and make sure the mask does not move on its own or has a separate trajectory of movement and rotation. Add a transform element to the adjustment layer and increase the scale by a factor of your choice. For me, I will keep it at 115. This will scale everything within the mask by 15%. We have a basic magnifying glass effect, but in order to sell it even more, let's add the bulge effect to it. Adjust the horizontal and vertical radius to fit the mask. It does not have to be an exact fit, but try to make it match as much as possible. I like to add a bit of chromatic aberration to further sell the idea of light dispersion. It is best not to add it too much, but it is up to you. There you have it, a magnifying glass that you can use in any of your projects. If you are liking this content, you can help me out by simply liking and subscribing. If not, leave a comment on how I can improve.